Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to see how to save components from the system library into your personal library. Sometimes you might want to trick the footprint, the silk screen, or turn a component into a standard one you use often. The thing is, you can't directly modify components in the system library. So first, you need to copy them to your personal library. It's pretty simple. Find the component you want in the system library. In the menu, the first three options let you save it to your personal cloud library. The one below saves it locally on your computer, so it won't transfer if you switch computer. Usually, we just use the cloud option. Click Confirm in the pop-up. Once it's saved, switch to the personal category, and you'll see your component there. Now it's yours. You can edit it freely. Reuse it in different projects, and it's perfect for building a personal or company standard library, which makes your future projects much easier. And that's it. How to save system library components to your personal library. See you in the next video.